Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. The topic of our today's discussion is also triangles. We are going to start exercise number 13b. Question number 2 is written as state with reasons whether or not you can construct triangle ABC in each of following cases. The cases are given and we will find if a triangle can be formed or not. If can be formed, that is okay. If it cannot be found, we will give the reason. Okay, first one is measurement of angle A is equal to 45 degree, measurement of angle B is equal to 60 degree, and measurement of angle C is equal to 75 degree. We know the sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180. We will take the sum. We will add measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle B plus measurement of angle C, that is equal to 180. We can take angle is first measurement of angle A is 45 degree, angle B is equal to 60 degree, and angle C is equal to 75 degree. We can add 45 and 60, 105, 105 and 80 and 75, that is equal to 180. And we know 180 is equal to 180. That is true. We can make right angle triangle, any triangle, so that is possible. That is possible. And next part is third part. Measurement of angle A is equal to 90 and measurement of angle B is equal to 90. Can we form a triangle? Never, because there are two sides are given and third side is also not given. We will take the sum measurement of angle A plus measurement of angle B and measurement of angle C should be 180, but there measurement of angle A plus angle B, that is equal to 180. We can say that is equal to 180, and measurement of angle C is not given, so not possible, because third side is not given and its sum is greater than 180, and the sum of triangle angle of any triangle can never be greater than 180 because it is 180, but third side C should be any angle. If we take third side of any angle, that will be greater than 180, so it is not possible. Fourth part is measurement of angle B is equal to 120 and measurement of angle C is less than 60. We can take that is 120, that is less than 60, mean to say measurement of angle A is not given. We can say that measurement of angle A will be X or less than 60, because if measurement of angle C is less than 60, then next will be also be next than 60. There is measurement of angle B is equal to 120 and that is less than 60. So 120 and less than 60, we can take for example 50, 120 and 50, that will be 170, and 10 degrees also remaining, that can also be measurement of angle A. So that is possible, because why? Because its two angles are less than, the sum of its two angle is less than 180, and third angle will be must, that will be equal to 180. So that is possible. Question number 5 is written as write the size of the angles of, first one is an equilateral triangle. We have to write the size of the angle. Size mean angles. An equilateral triangle. We know what is equilateral triangle. A triangle with all equal sides. For example, this side, and this side. If the sides are equal, that it is compulsory the angle will also be equal. And we know total angle is 180. We can take 180 divided by 3. Mean to say, if all angles are same, we can divide by 3. Mean to say all three angles will be 60 degrees, 60 degree and 60 degree. 6 3 the 18, 180. And because its all angles are same, so that is equilateral triangle. The all angles are 60 of 60. And isosceles right angle triangle, isosceles mean two angles are same and right mean one angle is of 90 degree. For example, I can take this one. This angle is of 90 because it is given that it is isosceles right angle triangle. It is understood that one angle is of 90. We can take this angle is 90. And it is also given that it is isosceles. Isosceles mean other two angles are same. How can it be same? Remaining angle is 90 and 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45. Mean to say the two same angles will be 45 degree and 45 degree. So it is right angled and isosceles triangle because its two sides are same, that is isosceles. Its one angle is of 90, that is right angle triangle. So it is isosceles triangle. The size of isosceles triangle is 90, 45 and 45. Now question exercise number 13b, question number 2, part 2 and 5 will be homework. If you have any question you can ask again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.